In this example, we're to solve this rational equation. Now, one way to solve rational equations is to multiply each term by the LCD of each denominator. So we have 5 over x minus 1/2 equals to 9/5. So our denominators are x, 2, and 5. So our LCD in this case, well, for the numerical portions 2 and 5, those are relatively prime. They have no common factors. So the LCD would just be the product, so that would be 10. And we would need that x as well. So we're going to multiply each term by that 10x. Now if you multiply 5 over x times 10x, the x's would cancel, so that would be 5 times 10. Let me write this out. So you'd have 5 over x times that 10x minus 1/2 times the 10x equals to the 9/5 times the 10x. So like I was saying here, the x's would cancel, so you'd have the 5 times 10, so that'll be 50. For the next term, the 2's would cancel, so you'd still have that 5, so it'd be 5x, it'll be 1 times 5x, so that'll be minus 5x there. And here, the 9/5 times the 10x, the factor of 5's cancel, so you'd have 2x times 9, so that'll be 18x. Now, we have this, now it's a linear equation, no longer have any fractions. One thing to remember, I should have said right from the beginning, is we got to make sure x cannot be 0 in this case, because that would make our denominator 0 for this one. So you always got to think, okay, what can x not be at the beginning? So going back, so we'd add 5x to both sides, so we'd have 50 equals to 23x, because we added 5x to both sides, and then divide both sides by 23, so you get x is 50 over 23. Now since that's not that 0, that would be the solution to that equation. Now if it did make any of the denominators 0, then it would actually not be a solution for the equation.